Hello there, welcome to accounting lecture. This chapter is all about cash book. The item is taken from AQA A-level accounting, but equally important for any other exam board, especially beginners of accounting, bookkeeping, AT level 2, IGCSE and ACCA, different boards. Well, what is a cash book? It is a book, day books, one of the day books maintained by our accountant. We record cash and bank, both transactions, money in and money out through your cash account and a bank account. Your cashier maintains the cash and the accountant maintains the cash book. Remember, cash book is part of double entry as well. What is the layout? The layout looks like this, the format. It's a T account. Look at this, it's a big T. Left hand side debit, right hand side credit, but it has different columns. Date, detail, reference, discount allowed is a new column. Cash and bank, two T accounts together. For example, cash account and bank account. Normally you do separately, don't you? But this time you're going to do it together. So that's your debit side. Remember, money in, you write into the debit side. Cash money in, bank money in, all of these items, yeah? And money out, you write into the credit side of your cash book. Cash money out, bank money out. We'll talk about this discount allowed and received in just a moment time. So stay tuned. In this chapter we have an example. And through working this example, I'll let you know what is the discount allowed and discount received. Let's read the requirement first. They said the transactions to be entered into the cash book are. So you got to do a cash book at the bottom later on here about. We're going to do a cash book. And there's some adjustment, more adjustment written here. All checks are banked on the day of the receipt. Cash book records this transaction and shown below. Entered the balance on 30th of April. Yeah, so we are working on April 1st of April till 30th of April. Okay. Reading from the top, we will now look at some example of transactions. 3-column cash book. Yeah, we call it 3-column. Why? Because discount, cash, bank, 3-column, whether debit side or credit side, both sides. Yeah. So year end is 2017. Let's assume how many transactions? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's keep doing one by one. Let me read the first one. 1st of April, balance at the start of the month, cash balance £300 and bank balance £550. What do you mean by that? That is the balance, you brought it down, and that was the closing balance last month, March, which is brought down, April, this month. Money in or out? Of course, money in. Bank, if it would have said CR, would have recorded on the credit side as money out. So these two entries are going to be on the debit side. Let me take you here. There we go. Cash debit, bank debit. We call it balance BD, 1st of April. First transaction done. You can big tick here. Next one, second one. Received a bank transfer from S. Wright, 98. We have allowed £2 a discount. Let's talk about the discount now. Why would you receive money from someone, Mr. S. Wright? Because you might have sold goods on credit to S. Wright. Now he's paying you. And you have offered a prompt payment discount. We call it PPD, to encourage him pay early. And he must have paid you early. You are allowing him a discount. So discount allowed is an expense. Discount allowed is an expense. Expenses are debit. Expense, and this is debit. Expense debit, and your SL, sales ledger or individual ledger, going to be credit. So this is the money in. Received means money in. And cash or bank? Tell me. Bank, money in. So go to the debit side. We said money in means debit side. Money out means on the credit side. Go to the debit side and it's a bank. So on the bank, you write 98. And look at the discount allowed column. You write 2. In the detail, you write S. Wright. And 4th of April, our second transaction done. Number 7, paid check. So money out, no doubt, going to go on the credit side. And a check means bank, going to go into the bank column. J. Crane, 145. He has allowed £5 cash to us. That means it is a discount received. We have received a discount. We're going to record it on the credit side. Stay tuned. At the bottom, 7th of April, J. Crane in the detail. discount allowed column, £5, and 145 we paid. Our bank going down, bank is credit, and J Crane liability is also going down. If we meant to do any J Crane account, J Crane debit with that much of amount, yeah, that is bank, and 5 would be discount receipt. Then we can transfer it to the PLCA later on, which you can check our other videos on control account and get clarification. That's number 7, 7th of April. Transaction number 3 basically. 11th of April, paid wages in cash. Yes, yeah, it is money out, it is credit, but cash. So we're going on the credit side of our cash book. This is our credit side, and cash 275, and the detail you write wages 11th of April. What job is done here? Next one, paid by bank transfer, the account of T. Lewis, 120. We paid basically. Who paid? We means our business. We paid by bank transfer. We have transferred from our bank to T. Lewis, 120. And from that amount, 2.5% discount we're gonna get a. Yeah. So let's do some working. Taking the calculator on screen. 120 times by 2.5%. You get 3. 3 is discount, and then if you deduct 3 from the whole amount of 117 we have paid. Look at the screen here. On 14th of April, T. Lewis on the credit side of your bank, 117 paid and discount received £3. That's how you record it. Next one, 17th of April. J. Jones settles in cash her account of 80, deducting 5% cash. J. Jones settles means she has paid us. We received money. So that means on the debit side, and in cash. It is being said in cash, not bank. So on the debit side, 76. Why 76? Let's do some work again. 80 if you do, times by what percentage? 5% discount. Did I do 0? Let's do it again. 80 times by 5%. Yeah, £4. That is your 4% discount we allowed, and we received £76. J. Jones, 17 is done. Next one, 21st of April, we drew 100 in cash from the bank. Now look at this, what is happening. From our business bank account, we withdrawn money, so bank going down and put into the cash, cash going up. We call it contra. We call it contrasting entry, contra. Yeah. So when we take out money from cash into bank or bank into cash, we call it contra into the cash book. So once our bank going down and cash going up, let's do it. On 21st of April, our bank going down. Let's say bank account credit and cash account debit. Cash account debit. In the reference, we call it C. We refer it as C, contra, and in the detail, you write opposite account's name. Here you write bank, there you write cash. Yep. You know how to do the T accounts. We do have good videos on T accounts as well. That is a contra. Next one, received a check 45 from D. Whiteman in full settlement of 48. So D. Whiteman was supposed to pay us 48, but he paid us 45. That means we allowed £3 discount, right? And it is a check, money into the bank, debit side 45. That's it. And discount column £3. And finally, 28th of April, paid cash of 70 to S. Ford in full settlement of our account. So as we were supposed to pay S. Ford 75, but we paid 70. Why? S. Ford must have given us a discount. It is not very clearly told us discount received or discount allowed, but that's what you need to assume. So go to the, it's a money paid, money out. So go to the credit side. Is there cash or check? Paid cash. Cash. Be careful with that. So cash 70. 5 is discount we received it. That's it. All our transactions been taken into account. Let's do the balancing. How do you do the balancing? At first, get the total. You need to check which side is bigger. Remember, for discount allowed and received, we don't do any balancing. Just add 2 plus 4 plus 3. That gives you 9. Then 5 plus 3 plus 5 again. It gives you 13. After that, balancing for cash account or bank account is as usual, normal. How do you do it? You add all the items here, 376 plus 100, that gives you 476. You write on the opposite side because that's the bigger side. 476, take away 275 and 70. You are left with 131. That is your balance CD, last date of the month, which becomes balance between the opposite side, first date of the next month, 1st of May. Same thing you do for bank. You add all the items here, 3 items, 550, 98, 45, that gives you 693. You write on the other side 693, take away 145 and 1,700. You're left with 331. That becomes balance CD. CD becomes balance CD on the opposite side next month. That means in your bank you have positive money, available positive money. Just erasing these things a little bit. Yeah. What if your credit side total of the bank is bigger? That means you have a bank overdraft. Yeah, bank overdraft. Remember, cash can never be minus. It can be 0, but it can never be minus. Let's do one quick thing before we end the video. How about this one, discount allowed and discount received? We can do T accounts. We said discount allowed is an expense, so £9. It goes into the SLCA, sales ledger control account. Discount allowed debit, sales ledger control account credit. And discount received, or you can write a cash book because you're taking it from the cash book. In AQA A level, they call it cash book. Other syllabus, you write SLCA. Discount received is an income, £13 on the credit side you write, and in the detail you write cash book, or PLCA would do the job. Well, that's all from this video. Check out our all other videos and many different courses from accountinglecture.teachable.com, our YouTube. Also on Read and Udemy, we have our courses. Check it out. Shine in your exam. Goodbye for today.